You might think Colorado is all about mountains and vacation. But look closer, and you'll see it's a much bigger story. This is the place where what's next is happening now. Our critical and emerging tech industry is the third most concentrated in the US, from semiconductors, robotics, and quantum, to photonics, composites, biotech, and agtech. It's all happening here. At the University of Colorado's Anschutz Medical Campus lives one of the world's largest clinical biobanks. A single drop of your blood can be taken and broken down into a massive molecular database called a genome sequence on a chip.
20 years from now, every single patient who walks through the door will have their genome sequenced, and physicians will be much better armed to mitigate onset of that disease.
We're now a global quantum tech hub, and that's not just a fancy buzzword, it's a fact.
People all over the world want to come to Colorado to get a quantum education. We have 4 Nobel Prize winners in quantum science. 50 years of existence have trained generations of leading scientists now working in industry, in national labs, at university, in academia.
For example, getting students out of the GILA from the CU Boulder program out of mines. I mean, these are some of the most sought after students in the country. They often want to remain in the area if they possibly can because they love living here. So you get a big advantage in employees. I think you just have tremendous resources.
Colorado boasts twice the national average in engineering talent, supported by 34 federally funded research labs and 6 top-ranked research universities.
The university system is in a lot of ways giving birth to a very strong business ecosystem here. We have collaborations not only with NIST, GILA, and the universities, but also with some of the local companies that are interested in the same types of things that we are. There's over 50 companies here focused on the quantum world, whether it's photonics, ion trapping, superconducting qubits. It's really a diverse ecosystem of people that are very innovative and aggressive at pushing towards their goals.
If you're building a quantum computer, Maybell and other Colorado companies are manufacturing your key components.
You walk into any quantum lab in the world, and there will be hardware in that lab that has come from Colorado.
At Form Factor, they're pioneering high-performance semiconductor testing.
This is kind of the latest and greatest tool that is being placed at Tier 1 foundries, specifically working on spin qubits as well as superconducting logic.
InnovaFlex is solving your advanced semiconductor production needs.
We are the only company outside of Asia to be producing flat panel semiconductors here in the United States at a large scale. We started in 1999, based out of San Jose, and we moved here in 2007 to enjoy the wonderful benefits that Colorado has to offer, and we're still here today because of this incredible ecosystem.
And AMP is teaching their industrial robots with AI to help entire cities recycle more efficiently.
This technology can sort directly through the garbage and pull different materials out. It's sort of aware of everything that it's doing, self-optimizing, and just incredibly capable. When you significantly lower the cost of extracting these materials, you end up having something that is much more strategic for the waste business. And in particular, this ends up being one of the biggest levers society has to combat climate change.
As a top-ranked state in critical and emerging tech, Colorado's cross-industry collaboration creates a magnet for both federal research and innovation grants, startups, and private investment.
Colorado has a whole bunch of things going for it. One, centrally located, so it's easy to get to the east and west coast from here. Second, it's a really easy place to live. There's going to be an enormous amount of wealth created in Colorado that will then get recycled back into Colorado because everybody here will want to stay here.
It's just one of the many reasons why leading companies from around the world are calling places all over our beautiful Rocky Mountain state home. Change your altitude and elevate your bottom line. Come see the opportunities for yourself. What's next is happening now in Colorado.